decided to redo some trailers this summer. This one is the Sequoia. The previous family who owned this had kept it in the garage, so it was decently clean, but we still had to give it a bath. We did find a few issues wrong with it to fix. Issues include tent repairs, fixing the water heater, and checking to make sure our systems are good. These are the before shots. We did a little bit of cleaning and power washed it, but other than that we didn't really do much for that otherwise. We also found that the outdoor shower wasn't hooked up at all. After looking over the striping on the outside, it was clear that we had to do something about it because it was ripped and it didn't look too good anymore. So we decided to go ahead and remove the striping at this point. After removing the stripes, we saw that it definitely needed to be painted. Before I started, I took some good pictures of the decals so we could find them and replace them after the fact. We may not replace the Sequoia one, but we're definitely replacing the Fleetwood one and the Coleman ones. The cool thing about this trailer is there's actually bars you can put boats on the top, so we had to sand those and repaint them to make them look good again. And here's me doing the striping. We used a 3M striping wheel to remove the stripes. Stay tuned for painting in the next video.